Test. Good. Good. The stream is begin. Yes. Very good. Welcome back to the stream. So, yesterday I encountered a problem with errors popping up in the console when a scene is loaded. I was not able to fix that error, unfortunately. I worked on it off stream, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I've made absolutely zero progress on that. But I googled the error, and I'm like 95% sure that I can ignore it. The problem. It's like not really a problem. So the thing is, the thing with what's going on is there's some sort of await command where when the await is like when the await is resolved, the class instance is gone, and yeah, it prints a red error message to the console. However, according to an internet search, this usually isn't a problem in Godot, and I can probably just ignore it. And I've also tested an export version of. I've tested the game. Well, I exported a version of the game and ran it, and oh, hold on a second. I need to plug my headphones in. There we go. Headphones are in. So I'm pretty sure that when I load this next area, yeah, see, if it was a problem, it would have crashed. It most certainly would have crashed. It didn't crash. It was fine. So, therefore, I have decided I'm just going to ignore it. Okay, let's move on to the next thing that I... Oh, crap, what is that? What is the next thing? Okay, let's see if I can do a little refresher. So if I run the game, the player will spawn, this dude will go forward, follow him. If I go the wrong way, he'll stop me. Make it, and then I make it to the end. And then, okay, I think this is what I'll work on next. I'll make it so that when that NPC makes it to the end of his path, you'll be able to talk to him. And if you talk to him, he'll basically say, he'll basically say, oh crap, what does he say? He'll basically just tell you to follow him again, and then he'll go here. He'll go like here, and then around this corner, and then of course, cameras are actually going to end up over here because you know there's a loading zone right here. So as soon as you touch it, it's gonna. As soon as you touch it, is screen fades out and the next area starts to load. Okay. Let's get to work on getting that set up. Okay. On destination reached. On destination reached. Why is this here? I can just delete this. It doesn't need to exist. Is my voice being picked up? Yes, it is. Not sure why I got worried about that all of a sudden. Found invalid node path. Skeleton body rotation on node. Eh. Whatever. Canada, we put a U in the word behavior. Yes, in the land of maple syrup, we put U's in random words. Like color and favorite and behavior. Right. Set NPC behavior NPC. Hold on, I'm just gonna double check how this works. Okay. This is a very vulnerable method now that I think about it. What if I get the string wrong? It's just gonna crash, right? Whatever. Whatever. Oh, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'll just ignore it. All right, let's see if this this little thing works. Hopefully it does. Hold up. I need to see the console. Here he comes. Okay. Arrived at destination. This worked. Very good. Delete that, because now we know this node works. Does what I want it to do. Okay. Wait. Wait, no. What am I doing? What am I doing? Start. Yada. Save. Export as CSV. Make sure that's UTF-8, because otherwise it won't work. I'm kind of tempted to add a function to the show text script that takes over the camera and brings it like up to a certain position. Because I know that, so I'm thinking, the reason I kind of think this might be a good idea, because I don't want to have to always attach a node that hijacks the camera when I could just specify that I want this script instance here to control the camera. Kind of understand what I'm saying? Only thing is, it's gonna be a little bit more work, but I'm like 99% sure that that's going to make things easier anyways. So I say we do it. I'm going to use where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this as like a base for it. All right, first thing. Public. Ooh, hijack camera on start equals false. Actually, let's make it true. Hijack camera on start. If hijack camera on start so if is instance valid global data dot camera scene global data dot camera scene dot set cinematic look at position oh crap okay, I need some sort of reference to uh, I want the camera to look at whatever the player happens to be reading. Or whatever the player happens to be interacting with, whether it be reading a sign or talking to an NPC. Okay. So there are two, there's one, no, two? Oh, dang it, no, that's not guaranteed. At least I don't think it's guaranteed. Hold on, how did I handle this? Didn't, apparently. I mean, I did, but like... Okay, so that's not applicable here. Alright, so I need to make some sort of node reference to a space, some sort of reference to a spatial node. So, right. Object type. Hijack camera on target is not equal to an empty string. Node n equals get node jack camera target if n is spatial. Hold on a sec. Spatial s equals spatial n s dot will transform origin So that's where the camera, so that's what the camera should look at, I think. This should be, well, All right. So I'm trying to figure out where exactly to place the camera. So I know where to set the cam. I know where to make the camera look. But I don't know where exactly to put the camera. Now I don't want this to be a fixed position. I want this to be kind of dynamic. Ideally, I would place it like behind the shoulder of the player. And then dynamically select the shoulder. But I'm not quite sure if that's the best idea to do it. All right. Transform. Camera. Transform. Equals. No, wait. Vector 3. Camera trans. Camera. Equals. Ah, it tried to autocorrect the position. That's more of a Unity thing, I think. To the player position minus the forward vector of the minus the forward vector of the like the camera. Well, not exactly. It's like it's normal. It's the y part of the vector is set to 0, and and then it's normalized. Multiplied by I think maybe 3. I can make this a dynamic value that I can set the editor, and then add let's try 3 again. And then data.camera scene static position position. Or maybe. Oh no. Here's a better idea. Here's a much better idea. Oh crap, I forgot. Oh, it was perfect. I lost my train of thought. Oh. Okay, let's see if I can get it back. So set the camera position to be equal to the same as the to be the same as this. And then I subtract global data forward vector times global data dot player dot distance to this global transform dot origin. I think I should shorten this to make it easier to understand and edit. I take the forward vector and so I take the target position and I subtract it by the forward vector multiplied by the player, the distance to the target. Maybe I shouldn't use the forward vector. Maybe I should use yeah, I'll try with this. Let's see what happens. And then plus offset. I'll just try this and see what happens. And then okay, this is very experimental. Let's see if it works. Oh, wrong one. Dang it. Move this out of here. See what happens when I talk to this dude. Oh wow, it works. Oh, okay. Just needs a little bit of adjustment. Maybe some offsets. Well, I mean, it seems to work, at the very least. Okay. I can think of a potential problem with this. The camera might phase through walls. I'm like 90% sure that's going to happen. But hey, it's nice to have a dynamic system instead of like a hard-coded system. Because like the thing is, what I was doing before, I was like hard coding a position for the camera to look at and a position for the camera to actually be, and it was controlled by a separate script. And I'm thinking, but then I thought, let's add that functionality to the show text to make it like an optional toggle. For both for both hijacking the camera and releasing the camera, and then make it a dynamic system that like that is where the position of the camera isn't hard coded. I mean, the look at position is hard coded, but the actual position isn't. One problem I noticed is that the camera was looking a little bit too far up. So, I'm going to add an offset to that. See how this looks. It's technically better, but I kind of want to change a little bit of how this works. This should have all three of these should be floats, I think. Oops. Cool. Our zoom level offset. It's basically how far forward or how far back it zooms out. What if I should make this a multiplier and not an offset? Let's do that actually. Okay, build. Is there a way to add dividers to this? That'd be nice. Can I do this in C sharp though? I don't think I can't do this in C sharp. Yeah, it's not worth it. Something's broken. Yeah, it's not letting me stop talking to him. But at least the camera stuff is working. Perhaps if I write 2 here, it's gonna go like way back. Okay, there we go. Unfortunately, actually, I think it's probably. Oh, I don't know what's causing that problem. So I'll try and find out. Crap, no. Yeah, what's going on? I don't know. Okay. So I'm going to end the stream about 10 minutes early. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with what we've done today so far. Probably continue tomorrow. I know I said I was going to finish up this part, but I kind of got sidetracked. But I mean, progress is progress, right? So yeah, see you next stream or next